Given to your monsoon craving with this hot and spicy restaurant style sweet corn soup recipe. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nirali and you watching Simply Swadisht. For sweet corn soup, you need sweet corn kernels, which I got from a corn cob or makai ka bhutta like this. So here I have 3/4 cup. You don't need to boil or parboil it. We have to just use it as it is because it will get cooked any which ways while making the soup. If you don't have these, you can also use the frozen corns. Now take a blending jar like this and add 2/3 of the corns into it. The remaining we will add in the soup. Now add these. Keep the rest aside. We'll use it later. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of water. Cover the lid and grind it for 2 to 3 minutes or until you get a smooth paste like this. Let me show you. It has to be smooth of this texture. Now switch on the flame and place a non-stick pan. To that add 2 tablespoons of oil. These are 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped. This one is a spicy one, so I'm only using one. You can add more or less as per your preference. Once it's sauteed well, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped French beans, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot, and the leftover corn. Now saute everything well for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's cooked nicely. If you are new here, then it would be great if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel Simply Swadisht, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you would be notified every time I post a new video. Now we'll add the paste that we had prepared earlier and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that is done, add 2 cups of water. I'm taking it into the jar that we had used earlier so that all the sticked material is inside. Now to that add salt as per your taste. I'm taking around 1.5 teaspoon. Mix everything well and cover it with the lid, and we will let it simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that our vegetables and corn is completely cooked. Now after 15 minutes, this is how our soup looks. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to make it sweet. You can avoid it if your corn is too sweet. Now to 1 teaspoon of corn flour, add 1/4 cup of water and make it into a corn flour slurry. If you don't have corn flour, then you can also use arrowroot powder, that is arrowroot. Now add it to your soup. First we'll add only half of the slurry and let it cook. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps forming in the soup. Now add the rest half of it and keep stirring. As you can see, it is of the perfect consistency. To this add 1 pinch of crushed black pepper. This is the final ingredient which gives the perfect oomph to your soup. It makes it hot and spicy. Now give it a one final stir. And this soup is ready to be served. Look at the consistency, it's just perfect. Now serve it hot and enjoy it with your family. Do give this recipe a try. Also let me know in the comments section below which next recipe you want me to make. I come up with new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel Simply Swadisht and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description below.